Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I want to show you exactly how you can make up to $100, anywhere from $100 to $400 by filling out applications online. So I'm very excited for this video. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always bringing new content every single day that will show you how you can make money online, how to create passive income from home, and how to grow an online business. So if you enjoy content like this about different ways on how you could, of course, make money from the internet, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel down below if you haven't done so already, and also take the bell icon so you can be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's talk about exactly how you can make up to $400 or perhaps even more in some cases by filling out applications. So how exactly does this work? Well, let's get right into the video right here. So the exact strategy that I want to talk about in this video is something known as bank churning, or oftentimes it's also referred to as like credit card churning. And basically what this is you are finding banks that are offering these checking like bonus offers right here, where if you create an account through them, like a checking account or like a savings account, they will give you a bonus for signing up with them. And oftentimes it's a pretty good amount, like Wells Fargo at the time that I'm recording this video is currently giving a $400 bonus just to sign up with their bank right here. So if you set up a checking account, then you can get a $400 bonus at the time that I'm of course recording this. Like December 10th, 2019 is when I'm of course recording this video, and they're currently offering a $400 bonus. I think this is like for the rest of the year. But right here, this website that I found that is giving, like, it pretty much lists like the current bonus offers that are currently going on right now at this current time. So the best checking account bonus offers in 2019, as of right now, it shows at the very top, Chase is offering like a $2,000 bonus for if you set up an account through Chase and you deposit at least $250,000, you can get a $2,000 bonus. Now, you may not have $250,000, right up front to invest in that, so I'm not going to focus too much on that. But oftentimes I'd say like on average, you can get like around like a $100 bonus to like $400 by setting up an account right there. So Wells Fargo, they want you to set up an account and deposit at least $25. I'm currently on the Wells Fargo website right here, and this is the the offer that you could of course sign up for. So essentially these are the steps that you of course want to follow, and it's very, very important that when you decide to sign up for one of these bonus offers, it's very important that you follow all the steps that they of course list on their website. I cannot stress that enough. If you do not do that, then you may end up wasting your time and all that type of stuff. So these are the 3 steps that Wells Fargo is listing on their website right here. So step number 1 is you need to open a new checking account, a new everyday checking account online from this page to bring an offer code to participate in Wells Fargo, and then open a new eligible consumer checking account. So the monthly service fee is $10, although they have some information here about how you could possibly avoid that. I'm not going to go through all that right here, but step number 2 is you need to deposit at least $25. Pretty simple. And then step number 3 is complete qualifying direct deposits. So within 150 days of account opening, receive a total of $3,000 or more each month in qualifying direct deposits to your new checking account for 3 consecutive months. So for the next 3 months, you have to get at least $3,000 per month, every single month. And as long as you do that, then you will get a $400 bonus that will be pretty much credited to your checking account. And from there, you could take that $400, you could put that into savings, you could spend that right then and there. You could transfer that to your other bank, whatever it is that you want to do with that extra bonus money, then you could pretty much do that with your bonus money there. So you'll get it within 45 days of meeting all requirements. During this time, your new account balance must be $1 or more. So as long as you follow all these steps right here, then you can get a bonus of $400, and pretty easy $400 just by using this account right here. So if you're getting paid, at least $3,000 a month, either at your job or in your business or however it is that you're of course making money, whether online or offline, then all you really have to do is just set up an account with Wells Fargo and set it up to where you are getting paid to Wells Fargo. As long as you're getting $3,000 a month or more, then you get the $400 bonus. So pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. That's one of that you can, of course, take advantage of right now. Another one is, of course, Bank of America. On their homepage, they have one right here that says get a $200 online bonus offer, and this is for signing up for their cash rewards credit card right here. So if I open this up, it'll give more information about what exactly the requirements are for this. So if I open this up, it'll say, let's see here. So it's taking a little bit to load, so I'll give it a second. $200 cash rewards bonus after making at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of your account opening. So within the first 3 months, you need to make at least $1,000 worth of purchases, and as long as you're able to do that, then you can get the $200 cash rewards bonus. So pretty simple. All you have to do is, again, make that amount in purchases right there. But then pretty much gives more information on what what other features the card has. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, you want to make sure that you follow all of the information that they provide on here. And as long as you're able to do that, then you should be good. Oftentimes, the one thing that I do want to warn you about is that oftentimes a lot of these banks, they will charge, like interest rate, like for like the purchases you make with credit cards. So to avoid this, ideally what you want to do is you want to pay off the amount right then and there. So when you make a purchase with the credit card, you want to make sure that prior to doing that, you want to make sure that you have the money in your account before actually making that purchase. And then once you make that purchase, you want to be able to pay that off right then and there. As long as you're able to do that, then you shouldn't really have to worry about getting charged with any like interest rate or anything like that. So that is pretty much the entire strategy there. Again, there's plenty of other ones doing this. I know Chase Bank is currently offering one. Enjoy up to $350. Get $200 with a new checking account and another $150 with a new savings account with qualifying activities. So again, this is the Chase Bank website. And here it shows, like more information about that. So get $200 with a Chase total checking account, an extra $150 with Chase savings, or $350 if you decide to open up both of them right there. And this pretty much gives more information on what each of these, like types of accounts, of course, what their requirements are. So like a checking account has like a $12, like monthly service fee, and then you must direct deposit totaling $500 or more made to this account. So that's pretty much what that goes over there. And again, this offer is currently available until it looks like January 21st of 2020. So again, all you have to do is really just find banks that are, of course, offering some sort of like bonus offer to, of course, sign up with their bank. Most of the banks that I've seen out there are offering some sort of bonus where if you sign up to their bank and you set up like a new checking account or like a new savings account, then you could potentially get a bonus of like anywhere from like $100 to like $400 simply by setting up an account and following all these steps. So again, that's pretty much the entire strategy there. Again, you just follow the steps. You want to make sure that you, of course, read all the information. But as long as you're able to do that, then it's pretty easy for you to get some pretty good, side income with this. So that is the entire strategy that I want to share in this video, and I hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below. Let me know what you think of this strategy right here. Is this something that you have, any intention of actually trying out yourself, or is it something that you're just kind of on the fence about? Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments, as I'd be really interested to hear your personal feedback. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also be sure to give this a like, because it really does help the channel. But if you'd like to learn more about how to really build a long-term business online, if you want something that will truly support you, where you could be working on your own terms, have more of a passive income coming in the long term, then my #1 link down the description down below will give you access to my free 4-day training that I put together. It's a free 4-day training that goes over how to really build a long-term business through the concept of affiliate marketing. So if affiliate marketing is something that you truly want to learn more about, which is pretty much recommending other products and services to other people, then that free training right there pretty much goes over how to really build an entire business around the concept of selling other people's products online. So the benefit with this is that you don't have to deal with any inventory. You don't have to deal with any customer service. You are pretty much just recommending, you're pretty much being the middleman between the products and the services, the products and the actual customers. So that is what I highly recommend going for in the long term. Be sure to check out that free training there if you are interested in learning more. But anyways, hope you found this video helpful, and take care.